Hello, hello, hello. Just making myself a drink. Guys, hey, oh my gosh, I know it's been a while since I did a vlog and so much has been happening, and I'm like, I need to just come here, record it right now, otherwise I'm just gonna forget again. My life gets in the way and I'm just all over the place. Ooh. So, the first news is that I am leaving Mexico. Don't know for how long, but for right now, I'm starting my digital nomad traveling life, which is very exciting. And I'm actually going to Austin, and that's going to be my first stop. I'm not going there by chance. In fact, I'm going there because of a work event, but this whole thing sparkled the whole traveling idea because I know so many people in US and everyone's like, oh, you need to go there and here, and I have already so many friends and baking students, and I think most of you are from America anyway. So let me know in a video, under the video, like which city you're from and if it's definitely worth visiting. I'm not promising that I'm gonna be there, but I'm gonna kind of travel around and see what happens. I have no plans. I'm kind of like a rough guideline where I should be. And yeah, I am leaving Mexico usually every summer because it's way too hot for me. Yes, it can get like too hot. I'm probably going to be freezing in Europe for sure. And I'm obviously going to go visit my family, my grandma, my granddad in Latvia in summer. Well, summer is actually in like a few weeks, in a week or two. I might look really happy right now, which I am. You know, I'm in a good mood because the secret is I was like feeling very stiff and tight. And I went to do a 90-minute massage yesterday, guys, and it was incredible. It was like 90 minutes, like she massaged my whole body. It was like deep tissue, and then 30 minutes on my feet, which was a game changer, okay? And now I just feel all like loose and free. I'm in my new kitchen, by the way. Did anyone recognize? It's a weird angle because I don't have a tripod yet. Anyway, so a lot of stuff been happening. Actually, a lot of, I want to say shit's been happening, you know, from my business to my apartment to lots of other problems. And, you know, yesterday I woke up early and I was like, you know what, just breathe, Ala. You've done this before. You can sit down and you can plan everything. So I just want to remind everyone, when you're starting to feel really, really overwhelmed, stressed out, when, you know, there's so much going on and not in a good way, you know, like there's things that are happening but no good. Oh, just breathe, make a list. I love making my lists. Oh, I thought someone's at the door. I love making my list. It's something that helps me. Of course, it might not help you. I'm just sharing what helps me. And I just make a list, you know, of things like what is important right now? What can I do? What is non-important? What can I move to next month or next week as a task? And then that helps me, okay? But generally, yeah, like I'm in a position right now where I had a team of 3 people or more actually. Anyway, regardless, the point is everyone's gone for personal things. I had to fire some people. Either way, I am back to me. And my editor is not doing well. He's going through divorce, so he's just kind of disappeared on me. So yeah, like with business sense, you know, it's been really hard. You can imagine having like a whole team and then having nobody again. So it's been very stressful. But, you know, I've already built so many systems and I've just hired like 2 new people. So I'm teaching them again, circle of life. You know, I've been through this so many times that it doesn't really bother me, but it's still stressful and it's upsetting, but I'm strong enough. And then all these things to sort out, you know, in apartments like this, the ceiling needs painting, the internet needs sorting, the electricity needs doing that, the water, you know, all the admin stuff. And then I had this whole argument with my landlord where I used to live, literally just like a few weeks ago. She just refused to give me my full deposit back. Guys, you're not going to believe. She took nearly $1,000 from my deposit, like 800 or something like that. It was crazy. I was arguing with her for 3 weeks, you know, and it really upset me because this time, like, she seemed like a normal landlord. I swear, I'm not having good luck in Mexico with landlords. They're just so, just not good. Yeah, it's just, I don't even want to go into it. I was thinking about like making it public again and exposing her, but then I was just like, you know what, I don't even have energy anymore. Like these people, it's karma, it's gonna get to them, you know. And what I realized, karma is real, you know. Whenever you are doing something and you're hurting someone, whether that's intentional or not intentional, or if it's intentional, you're definitely going to get your karma. If it's not intentional, but you know that someone else is hurting, it's going to come back to you. You know what I mean? Like, so just be careful what you do, you know, consider other people's things, consider other people, because in this life, what we call life game, everything comes back. You know, if you don't learn your lesson in one way, it's going to come to you in another way. And yeah, it's just a lot been going on, and you know, trying to like organize and plan and, you know, all these things. And I was just like literally like going crazy. I was going crazy. But right now, like in the last year, you know, I've learned so much on how to handle myself, like how to handle my emotions, because before, I mean, it's been a long journey. You know, I've changed so much in the last 3 years since I moved to Mexico. It's crazy. I'm like a completely different person. And I'm just so much more, you know, like I feel so much more calm and rational inside. Like when shit happens, I'm just like, okay, I'm going to allow myself to like cry, to get angry, to name every single emotion that might be feeling at that moment. And then I just move on, you know, or sort out or fix the issue or whatever. And I actually realized this year has already been so much better for me. You know, I've been traveling a lot. I've been seeing so many places, and I decided that, you know, like I need to just keep going. I need to keep going, and that's why I decided to go traveling again. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I'm kind of just going with open mind, and it is a little bit scary. Again, I really want to find like my partner to travel with. I really do. Like I keep seeing it in my vision. I just want to have someone, you know, that I share life with, that is into same things as me, that likes food, that likes adventure and travel, and you know, we can connect on many levels. And it's just, I'm finally opening for that, because I've had, you know, really kind of, I would say like painful, really painful. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It was really painful ending to my relationship. And, you know, it took me a while to really just come to terms with it, and just to kind of really feel at peace and really like let it all go. But I feel like finally the circles, you know, are closing and closed, and I am finally ready and open. It's been a while as well. It's been, you know, quite some time, and I've learned so many lessons. Like it's crazy, and I'm just kind of ready to build life with someone. And I know more things are going to come up, and more lessons are going to come up, and it's been a rough journey for me, you know, in the last couple of years, like really rough. And last year like really tested me, you know, when you think things are going really bad and you're like, surely it can't get worse, and then it just hits you more, and then it gets worse and worse and worse. And I'm just so, you know, like proud of myself that I'm, you know, standing here doing this video for you guys, because it was really extreme. Like I was really in a bad place. I didn't really tell many people, but last September, October, like honestly, I was scared for myself. So I'm just proud of me and how far I've come, and like where I am now, and that I'm able to kind of just laugh, enjoy, and be happy again, and enjoy little things, and look forward to this thing called life again, and, you know, become myself. And yeah, like, and of course, like I met like an amazing friend, and it just kind of gave me hope that there's so many amazing people out there. There's so many amazing men and women, and there's so many good people out there, you know. And I feel that you are obviously going to attract what you are right now. And the main thing is to always work on yourself, you know, always become the better version of you, become the best person that you can be. And once you're like the best, you're gonna attract the same type of person who is the best, or who is gonna mirror you and be the best. I'm sweating here, by the way. Whew, it's getting hot. You see, this is why I need to leave Mexico. Apparently though, Texas, where I'm going, my first stop, is really hot as well. So I don't know what I'm doing, if I'm trading one to another. But anyway, I just wanted to be real with you and honest, that I'm not going to show you like videos of me crying, or, you know, but you know, like I still keep going through these waves of emotions. And, you know, life happens and things happen, but at the same time, you know, we just got to keep pushing forward, and we're just gonna keep believing in ourselves, and yeah, just one step at a time. Anyway, I feel like I'm giving like a whole lecture here while I'm sweating in my kitchen. Oh my gosh, it's really hot. I think it's probably drink. I'm having electrolytes because here, for some reason, every time I stand up, like I feel dizzy. So I was like, yeah, I think I need some vitamins in me. Anyway, this is my update, what's been going on. Okay, guys, I promise you, I'm gonna do updates now every week, as I've mentioned to you before, and I'm gonna send you free recipes every week. It's just because my whole team fell apart, so now I have to like redo the whole system. Wow, I'm like really sweating. I have to redo the whole system, but you will be hearing more from me, so stay tuned. Let me know if you want to see my adventures. Let me know if you want me to do like a traveling vlog or whatever. I post a lot of my stories, of course, but stories is really hard on Instagram. It's only limited to like a few seconds that you can talk. Here I feel like I can express myself and talk to you and share a lot more with you. And yeah, my table has arrived. I know this is so random, but I'm very, very excited. I will show you in a picture, I guess, because my friends are coming over tonight to help me fix it. Some of my male friends coming to put like the smoke alarm and set up the table, and there's just, you know, all these things. Anyway, I hope you all have an amazing week. I love you loads, guys. If you're having a hard time right now, just remember that it will pass, and don't throw your life away, you know. I know when you're feeling really tough and it's really, really hard and you feel at your lowest, it's really hard to see anything positive. It's really hard to see any point in anything. But if you're watching this video and you're hearing this message, think of me as your someone that you really love, like your angel that's talking through me, okay, to you, and everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. It's a period. It's like a bad wave, you know, and then it's gonna pass, and you're gonna be on a different wave. Okay. So I love you loads. I believe in you. You're amazing. You are good enough. Everything in life you're doing is right. Okay. So lots of kisses, and I'll see you hopefully next week already in USA. Bye.